Now what shall I do? Which one? Which one? Which one? Which one? Maybe this, not this. Maybe this is Oxydaisy. Oxydaisy, Oxydaisy. This is will take me a while. Hey, and it's day 6. Wait, okay? Okay, guys, it's done. You gonna check it out? Not the decoration at my house. No decoration in my house, Gates! Okay. It's almost like a barn. Look, 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 look. Okay, look at my design of my house. It's almost like a barn to me. That's not me. That's just my sister. Okay. Okay, this is day 7. Right? I don't know. Yeah, it's day 7. Yeah. That's just my sister being crazy. It's almost like I'm distracting. Don't just hear what my sister said. Don't just hear what my sister said, and don't tell my mom that my sister said, or else she will be in big trouble. And I doesn't like when my mom is angry, because I am very unlucky, because my sister really get angrier and angrier when you tell my mom. Please don't tell my mom, because I feel uncomfortable when you guys tell my mom, and my mom is I don't know. Creeper. Okay. Why do I hear very loud screaming? Space has a room. Space has a room. There's nothing gonna be distracting from the screaming. Stay calm. Stay calm. What do you mean, bro?
On this Minecraft server with a Pringle phone, Asmouse begs its curse. Now my friends are going to take care of me as best they can. That means keeping me safe from danger as well as helping me with every task possible. But when they try too hard to help, they may just cause more trouble than ever. And being too nice to be a bad thing? Let's find out. Oh hey, be sure to like and subscribe. That'll be nice. Thanks. Ooh, this is so cool, right?
I know, I got all these blocks and they're pretty cool.
Okay, this is gonna be my room, my surface.
Having such a good time.
And I doesn't know how to do this, but sorry, I have to.
And actually, that's kind of boring.
These blocks
Well,
are neat.
you know, blocks are fine. They're fine, but you want to do something funner than blocks? Okay, follow me. But shh, gotta be sneaky. No one else can know we're sneaking.
What you got?
It's over here. It's gonna be cool.
You're be so bad. Nice to have sneaking up with you.
Oh, he's not gonna notice. He's sitting with Casey.
That's true. That's true. Okay, so what is it?
This?
What's so cool about this?
Well, you may think it's just a regular old cliff, but watch this.
That's crazy!
I found a special bush that makes it bouncy. You should try it out. You should jump on the bush. It'll be great.
That's so cool. Same way?
Yeah, just give it a shot in that pile right there.
Okay, all right. Ready? Ready? All right, I got this. Here I go. 3, 2, 1.
Hey, how's it going? Oh, you fell for it. I can't believe you fell for it. My bush has trampolines made as well. Yours didn't. It was just regular stone. Oh, you're so dumb.
My leg hurt. I don't know what happened.
Hey, it did. Wait, what? Oh, is that what about party? What? Your senses are tingling. No. What? You gotta stop crying. Stop crying.
Oh my gosh, that's being sad. What? What happened?
Don't worry about it. It's just gonna help me diagnose what's going on with your leg. And now, it's okay. I've done this once. All right, there we go. All done. Oh, okay. X-ray gun.
Here.
How you doing? Got a new chair, I see. Listen. You don't have to keep pretending no one else is here. You can be honest with me.
Okay, so what do you mean I'm pretending?
I'm on to you. I know what you're doing. Yeah, you didn't have to jump off a cliff just because I did. So, this is technically your fault.
You look so cool.
I did. Did you say never mind. Listen, I know you're faking it.
Not. Stop it.
Sure it is. You know what? Let me just go back here. Let me take a look at this. Let me just grab a little bit of this. Just grab a little bit. And now we put some tape. What's going on? But listen, the chair sheets are late.
So you push her out of the chair?
What's
What's wrong with you? What? We need help bring it better. Yes, especially you.
What do you mean? Because this we need to try harder than all of us to help her out. Fine. Can I do anything?
Yeah, I can come over there. I screwed up a little bit.
Wait.
What's that?
Hey.
Stop.
Is that thing okay?
No, no. Oh, maybe I moved. You deserve it. I'm gonna work on it. Got it. Someone.
Hey, while we try to fix up your house, why don't you take some potatoes here? We got at least one snack for you here. Alright, here we go.
Oh.
Ian, I think it's your turn to push. I can't push. I got my cool new mini bike to ride. Because I want wheels. Need to learn some responsibility. Get over here and out. Fine. Make sure this is safe.
Oh, what should the girls have? Oh yeah, a nice bath. Unfortunately, I doesn't have any bath.
Carefully.
Now, what should I do in this spa? I mean, the chest.
So much worse. I know, right?
Needle.
Well, got some entertainment out of it. Well, let's go get Ab.
I think I need help. We're coming.
Sorry.
I would take his bike if I could.
Sorry again.
There you go. You made this whole cake for me to get better. I'm eating it. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Look at that. I love it. Oh, Casey, I'm stuck. Wow. Wow, you really like that. Like the bed. Yeah, I did. I got all the frosting all over, but you know what? I'm perfectly good. I
I need some
torch.
torch.
Are you sure you can have more cake if you want? No. I'm actually really good at cake. I just, I can't take any more. Woo. Oh, that's better. I'm glad we understand each other.
need some of a sponge in case my tongue
Myself, but
sucks.
you know what, Mia? Why don't you try it first? Wait, what? I need to test it and make sure it actually works, you know?
What you mean? What? Ah. Guess I better wash my mouth with some soap. Who cares? I wish I will never spoil. Guess I better wash my mouth with some soap. I wanna live deep inside. I always been reaching out for a hand, and I doesn't know what's next. Leave a comment down below. What's next in the song? Parkour. Wait, oh.
I made you soup. I made you soup for dinner. Because, you know, it's a healing road scouting you really good. Right.
Oh, this is so good. Num, 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 num. Here, you can have the rest.
Oh, how kind of you. You know, it is kind of getting late out there, so I think it's time I gave you some
the crafting bench. Why is it getting windy? Why is it getting so wet? I'm in my house and I'm really scared. What happened? Oh my gosh, it's raining so hard. Guys, if you can hear me, comment down below if you can hear me, because I can't hear you what you're saying. Oh my. Ah! Help me! Oh my god. Oh. Try to make the bathroom really quick because I don't know why. Where will I make the bathroom? Where will they make the bathroom? I'm thinking, guys. I'm thinking. Leave a comment below. Where do I put the bathroom? Please! I need help from the bathroom because it's gotta be really wet and I doesn't know how to do it. Okay, maybe a size of an elephant. And I'm good. That will be super duper dumb. Super duper dumb. And I doesn't want that to be happening in my house. And it's gotta be happening in my house because from this part. If you doesn't hear me, here is the motion detected hearing that is so loud. Are you guys can hear me? Say yes in the comment below or no in the comment below too, please. I'm working so hard. I think I'm done. It's raining. I can't see you guys. Oh, wait. Day 7, day 8, day 9. Tomorrow day 9 is almost finished. I think. I don't know. It's almost finished, guys. This is day 9 and I doesn't feel safe. You know why? Because I doesn't have any bathroom and I'm building it right now in day 9. God. I'm dead. I'm ready to only show that dude. Because when you doesn't finish your design of Minecraft for 10 days, it's only give you 10 days and you doesn't done yet, you're dead. I'm dead by a skeleton because a skeleton. Oh my god. I need some light. I doesn't need a window in the light because when I am shower, someone saw me and gonna take a photo of me and I gonna be frustrated on someone and I gonna kill them and I will go to prison forever. Oh my gosh. Close it! Finally. Okay, I need some clothes. Okay, I think the armor gonna be my clothes, but first I gonna need some light. Oh yeah, I have a few of them in my room. The first place to know what is it. Torch? Where's my torch? Okay, there we go. Don't ask me if this is like the torch and the light from the mimic. Don't ask me. Please don't judge me or else I will kill you. Thank you very much for bringing some of the light. Thank God. Thanks God. Now the second thing I need some bath. I need some bath. Oh my gosh, is there thunder, guys? Help me to like and subscribe to help me escape this thing from thunder. Because I hate thunder. Thunder? Make a thunder. Like leads from thunder. Now I can't hear the thunder. Hear the thunder. Make the thunder. Lightly. Oh my gosh, it's getting wet and the water gets into me, guys. Help me survive this thing or something. There. There. No. No. And gradually, one more thing that we forgot about the bathroom is the thing. It's the thing that we do. That we use. Okay, the thing that we use to shower. Now where do I put the butter? Whoop. Sorry about that, guys. I should have made something. I think it's already nighttime. Is it nighttime? Let me see. Yeah. Let me see. Okay, it's not nighttime yet. Okay, so we need water. Oh my. Okay, I got some shampoo. A water bucket. Okay, let's try this, guys. Let's try this. Let's hope it can work. So we need to take a bath. Oh, I have to turn off it. I got a bucket and I got a button that is useless. Probably. Time to make a kitchen! And in the next video I'm gonna make a bakery! No I'm not, no I'm not, no I'm not. Rachel, no I'm not. Oh! I accidentally no. I think it's almost nighttime, guys. I don't know, I can't tell time. Fresh air! It doesn't have any fresh air in this house. It's almost nighttime, the sun set. There's the sunset. And tomorrow it's daytime. It's almost completed. Actually not, because I still have a lot to do. Wait! I need some parkour skills because I don't have any parkour skills at all. Okay, it's nighttime, so we should go head to bed. But first, lullabies. Oh, everybody wants a lullaby. I can move. Stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and like to 8 million. I already changed it. Okay, please don't mad at me, okay? Please, okay? Oh, and don't forget the notification bell. And if you can hear me, comment down below. If you hear me, say yes. If you not hear me, say no. Am I clearly? Okay, this may be a little bit too small because of the rating. What about that? Don't forget to like and subscribe to 8 million subscribers, okay? And don't forget to comment down below that if you say yes, if you can hear me, say yes. If you cannot hear me, say no. Am I clear? Okay, maybe that is already clear. Bye bye.